आज का दिन was too tiring. So driving back home, and ऐसा कभी-कभी अकेला सा फील होता है कि okay. So hi, hello, how are you? I am currently driving back home and from work. Yeah. So an unpopular opinion. Not sure if like a lot of people feel that way or not. But like the part that I do not like about driving is when I'm driving myself back home. So it doesn't happen every time because obviously I love vibing to like a good music and shit. But I don't like when there's a bus anywhere around me because like at least in India these bus drivers drive as if कि भाई we do not exist or something. Anyways, so हाँ तो वो थोड़ा सा ना ऐसा सा हो जाता है कि थोड़ा ऐसा कभी-कभी अकेला सा फील होता है कि ऐसे गाड़ी में अकेले हैं तो weird सा हो जाता है कभी-कभी. But like obviously not always because most of the time I'm just vibing to my songs and stuff. But कभी-कभी ना गाना सुनने का मन नहीं करता. ऐसा लगता है कि you know want to talk to somebody but like they should be like right next to me and not like talking to them on call or something. So yeah, I mean that's just a random thought that entered my mind while driving. That's that because right now is the time जब मेरा बिल्कुल भी गाने सुनने का मन नहीं कर रहा. So yeah, कभी-कभी बिल्कुल भी बात करने का मन नहीं कर रहा होता है. Like just weird that ways me. Some people say कि कुछ लोगों के लिए social battery की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. मेरे को कभी-कभी नॉर्मल किसी से भी बात करने के लिए like just बोलने के लिए भी social battery की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Like right now I'm just way too tired with like आज का दिन was too tiring. So I want to make a video. I want to record things, but I'm just feeling too tired, man. Like right now, I just want a hot cup of hot chocolate. And yeah, and I just want to like lay on my bed without the worries of like my office and stuff. Day that I've started driving myself to work, one thing that I always used to love was the feeling when you have the steering wheel in your hand, like everything you feel in control, right? And for me, I think I mean I'm starting to understand myself a little more as I'm growing up, that I'm sort of like a control freak is what I feel like what I am. And this really maybe scratches my itch of you know sort of being in control and stuff. So yeah, I think that everybody should like pick up a hobby. I would call this a hobby maybe because like I just love it when I'm driving because like I just feel happy. There were days when I was like too stressed and stuff and I just wanted to grab my car keys and like just get out of the place and like just drive. Like it's not important that I should have a destination to drive to. It is that I should be driving. I just need to drive, like have my songs playing and then that's it. Yeah, it's important to have your own me time, something that you do for yourself, not for anybody, not for showing it to anybody. It's not even important that you have people around at that point of time. It's just that it's you, your car, like against the world. So yeah, that's that. You know how people talk about do what you love so that when you do it, it doesn't feel like work? It's literally exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm doing what I always wanted to do. I always wanted to be in fashion. I always wanted to do marketing in the fashion industry. One thing which has changed is that I wanted to be in luxury brand management, like do marketing for a luxury brand. But like after I have had that experience of doing marketing for those luxury brands, I am actually much happier here because there like is more scope of creativity, which I did not really get doing all of those things. So yeah, like, but the fact that nobody talks about is that even when you're doing something that you love now, there are points where you reach that saturation level of like you're just tired, you just need some time to yourself, and that I think is very important to give you. I mean, that gives you sort of, you know, zeal to like get back to doing what you were doing. Like I know that I know what I'm doing is something that I love. It's just that there's just one thing that you need, which is a break from all of this for the creativity to flow again. Because I've seen that these Saturday Sundays are actually really important because they help your creativity to spark even more. So yeah, that's just one thing that I've not seen a lot of people talk about. So like, it's not like आपको हर समय stimulated रहना है. कई बारी you need to sort of like just let go and like relax, because that's something which is actually very important. So yeah, today's note.